Not sure when this video is going to drop, but today we're going to be installing the door cards on the E30, and I got to be careful not to mention anything because I'm trying to get some videos pre-recorded while I do some exciting stuff so I can drop stuff on a schedule, blah 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 blah. We're going to do some door cards, and I've already done the rear too, and I'm going to explain how we did them on the rear, and we're going to move to the front. This is our rear door card. As you can see, we used rivets to put it in. And it has the cover, pull strap, all that good stuff. Everything is like super solid in there. It's not going anywhere, and it looks great even on the other side. So while I'm showing you this, where did I put the other ones? So this is one of our door cards that is already done. Yeah, it's kind of gross, I need to clean it, but so we've already dremeled out the hole for this, which is very easy. You just make an oval with a Dremel tool, and then you put two self-tappers in here. The important thing that I kind of noticed and other videos didn't mention is we also need to Dremel out this part for where we're going to mount the pull strap. So the pull strap is going to mount right here in these plastic almost inserts. You can see them on both sides of the car, and basically the pull strap is going to go in there with like a small screw with a washer built in. That's going to go there, and then we're going to hollow out the back of this before we mount the door card so that our washer or our nut can like sit in there. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but I'm reusing some stock hardware we found or took off this car whenever. So yeah. Yeah, what part of the E30 these came off of, but these are the screws we're going to be using for today. Basically, we're just going to be hollowing out the back of this plastic piece so that the top of this can basically sit flush, and it's not going to go like pushing this part out when the screw like tightens against it. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm an idiot. If you can see my eye, I had a drill bit break, and I had a metal fragment go into my eye, and I had to go to the ER and get it removed, all because I wasn't wearing my safety glasses. So, wear your safety glasses, and yeah, let's finish up this video. The last thing I want to say is you're going to rivet these in, and I used like one of the $5 Harbor Freight rivet guns and the smaller rivets that it came with. You're definitely going to need extra for the amount of rivets that you have to do, but I basically used a punch tool with it mocked up with basically just holding it in place, and then yeah, it worked out great. As after I drilled it and just riveted it in and worked my way around, and yeah, it came out great. Pull straps strong enough to pull the door. The factory cover fits over the door as well, making it look super nice, and yeah, pretty happy with how it came out, besides almost losing my eye. Well, that's my fault, not Condor Speed Shops, but yeah, great looking door cards. I didn't use the metal armrests, or the metal doors I should say, and I also did not go with using the armrest, but I did elect for the pull straps and to use no window switches, which there are also cutouts for the window switches. I'm just going to move to Lexan, so I'm not too worried about it. But thanks for watching. Remember, wear your safety glasses. See you soon with some cool stuff.